Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. I'm not gonna lie, since Halloween is over, I kind of struggled on what to film. So I'm just gonna jump straight into Christmas. This is a bag of stuff I've bought so far this year for Christmas, and I've been patiently saving it. First up are these little Santa hats. I thought they were so cute, and I had great hopes that they would fit the dolls. But as soon as I opened them, I could tell they probably weren't even going to fit Chelsea. So I grabbed a few dolls and tried it out, starting with Chelsea, and unfortunately they don't fit. I thought maybe I could stretch them a little bit and get them to fit, but I'm not sure. I got these two little elf sweatshirts from the dollar store. They were $3 each. I think they're pretty cute. They don't have a closure in the back, but I think it would be pretty easy to add a little snap. Here it is on a made-to-move Barbie. You can tell the sleeves are a little bit short. I think it still works. I also tried it on the Stacy doll. It is a little big for her, but maybe if we rolled the sleeves up, it could work. I got this little Santa suit from Hobby Lobby. I thought it was so cute, and I always planned to see if it would fit the Chelsea doll. Once I opened it, I realized the belt doesn't have Velcro or anything, so I got a little worried it wasn't going to work, but I was able to squeeze her in. I think it's adorable. It looks so cute on her. Of course, the tiny hat that came with it didn't fit. But as you can see, I'm still bound and determined to make the first little Santa hats work. These little stockings came from Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99, and most of the stuff I got from Hobby Lobby was 40% off. But I thought these were adorable, and I thought it could be cute to put the dolls' names on the front of the stocking. These little vintage Santa tags came from Hobby Lobby as well. I don't know, I just love the vintage look of them, and I thought maybe we could do a craft with them, making like a wall sign. These little Santa figurines came from Hobby Lobby. I didn't realize it. I guess I didn't pay attention, but they all are the same character. This too came from Hobby Lobby. I just thought this would be perfect for a nice Christmas bouquet. I love the miniature pine cones. I would probably put it in a little basket, something like this. I found these at the Dollar Tree. I guess technically they're just little decor to lay around your house, but I thought these may come in handy for building furniture or other stuff. These little ornaments came from the Dollar Tree too. I thought they could make some cute wall decor. I picked up these little wooden gingerbread men from the Dollar Tree. I thought maybe I could paint them and make them look like bigger gingerbread cookies. I actually picked these up before I found the little wooden cutouts, and I was going to pry these off of the little, I guess, baking sheets. These came from the Dollar Tree too. I thought they could be wall decor or for the front door. These little angels came from the Dollar Tree. I didn't realize the wings were just like paper, but I plan on painting those for just decorations. I found this little pom-pom trim at the Dollar Tree. I thought it was so cute and would look so cute on a miniature Christmas tree. This ornament came from the Dollar Tree as well. I thought maybe it could make a cute little decoration. I don't know, maybe I'll stick Chelsea in it for a picture or something. These little snowmen came from the Dollar Tree too, and I plan on painting them just for little decorations as well. And the last thing are these two little Christmas trees that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to build this room box the same way I did the previous one. The back panel is 12 by 12 and the 4 side panels are all 12 inches long by 6 inches wide. My tripod kind of dented the corner, but I'm going to use it anyway. I used hot glue and glued all 4 sides on. I'm going to use this really pretty green scrapbook paper to cover the back wall and the 2 side walls. When I was adding the paper on the side, I noticed there was going to be a gap between the side wall and the back wall, and I really didn't want to have that. So I used my ruler and laid the paper down and kind of forced the edge up to create a little bend. And then I glued that on so it kind of covers up that gap. I glued down this paper for the floor. And then I glued on some more foam board for the baseboards. I wanted to use this little Christmas tree, but it did not have a bottom. So I took a scrap piece of wood and I'm just gonna hot glue it onto the wood. Now I did put it into the room to see where at on the piece of wood that it needed to be glued down to. I started with a big dollop of hot glue and let that dry. And then I came back and I just kept adding glue up onto the stem of the tree until it felt, pretty sturdy. I've had this iron-on fabric sheet pack for a few years now, and I never really used them for anything. So I'm going to take this red plaid one and cut out a circle for the tree skirt. And apparently I can't cut out a circle. It was fine. I was able to salvage it. I just trimmed off the edges to form a circle. And then I cut a slit on one side to about halfway. Then I came back and cut a small circle to kind of go around the base of the tree. It was too wide in the back, so I ended up cutting some off at the end. I picked up a string of fairy lights at the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to secure the battery pack to the outside. So I just used a little hot glue, and I made sure to do it on the opposite side that opens for the batteries. Then I just fed the lights in and wrapped them around the tree. These are some little presents I had from last year, and I'm going to use the big one to kind of hide that wire to the battery pack. I brought out my little rolls of wrapping paper and stuck them in the corner. Then I pulled out some of my miniature ornaments from last year and put them on the tree. I decided to use one of these and just glued it on the little sidewall. And this was another And this was another little tag I had from last year, but I just love them. And that was basically it. I think it's adorable, and I think it'll come in handy for taking some cute Christmas pictures of the dolls. And I cut the little red ribbons off and then just lightly glued them to the wall. And this was another little tag I had from last year. I glued it to the wall. And that was basically it. I think it's adorable, and I think it'll come in handy for taking some cute Christmas pictures of the dolls. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.